all know how important regular working is and how dangerous it is when it halts. Similar is the regular functioning of high investment plants. Like a heart needs a regular supply of blood to keep throbbing, a boiler in power plant requires regular water supply to work. A break in water supply means break in boilers working, and a break in boiler causes huge losses. At times, reason which seems very small proves to be the root cause of huge losses or breakdown. How do power plants work? Turbine rotates from the energy of steam generated in the boiler. For steam, we require demineralized water, that is DM water. To feed the water of consistent quality to boiler, DM water plant require a periodical backwash. At the time of backwash, a huge amount of acid or alkali mixed water generated from the DM plant, and the same through drains reaches to neutralization pit for further treatment before discharge to open environment for other use. The drains and neutralization pit require acid-alkali resistant lining to protect the civil structure or principal surface. If the lining fails, it leads to the damage in the civil structure to the extent of or breakdown in the operation of DM plant and it turned to the boiler. For the required rectification, as for any lining, dry surface is a prime requirement. Since DM plant is a prime utility, breakdown in operation is rare. Three most common reasons for the failure of lining: failure of the joints of the lining material, failure of the bonding between lining material and principal surface, failure due to scant resistance against both acid and alkali. To avoid a major plant breakdown, we suggest use of Crescent thermoplastic polypropylene glass, that is PPG, lining which provides solution to problem beyond you can think of. Innovation has been the hallmark of Crescent right from its inception 12 years ago. Years of hard work, planning, research and development, commitment and dedication have paid us rich dividends. Today, Crescent Technologies is one of the leading players in the field of anti-corrosive lining and acid handling systems with its thermoplastic based lining. How Crescent thermoplastic lining works? With the PPG lining, the possibility for the failure due to joint has been totally eliminated because the size of the sheet is 10 meter into 1.5 meter and hence the number of joints are reduced drastically. Homogeneous double welding of the joints. 100% tested with the spark testing machine. To test the joint with the spark testing machine, a fine MS wire is placed at all the joints. Even if there is a pinhole, we get the indication from the spark testing machine. This eliminates the remotest possibility of failure from the joints. Lining fails as it peel off from the principal surface. PPG lining, with its strong inherent cohesive property, makes the bonding with the parent surface near to permanent. The bonding strength of PPG lining with the concrete surface is more than 38.65 kg per centimeter square. Which has been tested by the Council Scientific and Industrial Research, that is CSIR. With such a high bonding strength, the PPG lining will never come out on its own. Even if you need to remove it, you require a chisel and hammer. Chemical resistance of PPG lining. In PPG lining, the exposed surface to the chemical is nothing but PP, that is polypropylene. PP is known to have an excellent chemical resistance against hydrochloric acid, caustic, sulfuric acid and most of the inorganic compounds that add up to any concentration. PP can sustain up to temperature 90 degrees Celsius constantly and 110 degrees Celsius intermediately. Further, internal parts of the DM plants, that is the Stenner injector, etc. are made up of polypropylene, which remains exposed to the chemicals always. By this, we can say that PPG lining has an excellent chemical resistance. Other silent features and advantages of PPG. We add UV stabilizing agent and antioxidant to make PPG suitable for outdoor application. We require simple concreting, while for art, that is acid resistant style, a leak-proof concrete is required. This becomes more troublesome in drains, as drains are constructed mostly by brick masonry. So with PPG you save extra money and time. PPG lining can be done on concrete surface itself. We do not ask you for a plaster. A minor chipping is required to remove the edges. Again the saving of money and time. One team can execute more than 50 square meter of job in a day. With acid resistant tiles, a row by row has to be built up and PPG takes less time to complete the job. This again saves time. Side is ready to use immediately after finishing and no drying or curing is required. This again saves time. Volume of the area will increase as the thickness of PPG lining is almost nil. Proving our technology. The finest technology of the world are useless if they are not proven. We have a long-term association with CSIR to evaluate the performance of the PPG lining time to time and provide us the technical expertise to improve it day by day. Our customers. It was first introduced by us in 1995 and since then a number of jobs has been executed by us throughout India in many reputed organizations, and our products has been patronized in industries like Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, the Aditya Birla Group, Department of Atomic Energy, Gujarat State Electricity Board, Punjab Alkalis and Chemicals Limited, DCW Limited, Tuticorin, and the list seems endless. Initial job had been executed at Lupin and BHL in 95-96 and since then it has been working at desired level and not a single penny has been expended. Acid resistant tiles with supply and installation can cost you a fortune. PPG is available at a price lower than you can even imagine. Our proposal very simple. Assign the job to us and we will supply, apply and stand guarantee for.